guys, I hope you're all doing great. So I have been promising you all a Banjara Market haul that is still pending, and I'm recording it now because I'm lazy. Also, it's gonna be like a chilled tiny mini vlog sort of a thing because I cannot get out of my pajamas, and yeah, I'm very tired after like 10 days of being under home renovation ka mess, and you know. So yeah, I'm quickly gonna take you through Banjara Market ka haul, whatever I've got from Banjara. So Banjara Market is like a furniture market. Is a furniture market. It's not like a furniture market. It's a furniture market in Sector 56, Gurgaon, and you get great deals on furniture there, and you get like pieces that you cannot find anywhere else as such, and that too at such a great price. So let's quickly take you through all the stuff that I've got. So the first thing that I knew I had to pick up from Banjara Market is this gorgeous mirror. I absolutely love the frame and the antique rugged look that it has. This is something that I wanted in a particular white color only. That's why I got this. This is probably like a 4.5 feet mirror that I've put just next to the entrance of my house, and I absolutely love how it looks. So this was actually priced at 5500, but thanks to my bargaining skills I got it for 2000. कोई कम नहीं करा था, but I just managed to get it for 2000 somehow. And yes, I absolutely love this came with the mirror. And also if you go to Banjara Market, just remember वो लोग कुछ पैक नहीं करके देंगे आपको. You just have to take your stuff and store it in your car साथ के साथ. That's why traveling by metro over there is not a very good idea. So yes, this was my first buy from Banjara Market. Now moving on, this was the second thing. This is a key holder, as you can see, and even though इसमें सिर्फ 3 ही knobs हैं, I absolutely love it. These are like iron knobs, and this is like a solid wood thing that I've got it attached here, and I think it looks absolutely stunning again because of the rustic look that it has. I got this only for $100, and it's very heavy. It's very sturdy. There was a pile of all these key holders, and उसमें से हमें ढूंढ के निकालना होता है because at times some things are defected. And please don't mind this, मुझे कुछ मिल नहीं रहा था, so I just used Amira's rubber band to put it through. Now moving on to one of my best finds. These are picture frames. Yes, these are brass picture frames, and they come with a little this thing. They open up like this, and then yeah, you can insert a picture here, and then when you're done you can lock it back. And I got both these frames for 400, and it even had a tag. It's from some imported brand. It's not an Indian brand, and it's quoted I guess 1,000 rupees for both of them, but I got it for like 200 rupees each, so 400 for both of them, and I absolutely love it. I might just change this thread thing, but मुझे अभी भी अच्छा लग रहा है, but I just might change it to the more rustic what do you call it, रस्सी टाइप थिंग जो आता है, द ब्राउन कलर्ड वन. आई डोंट नो उसको बोलते क्या है. सो येस, आई एब्सोल्युटली लव हाउ दिस स्पेस हैज़ जस्ट ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड using these things. Hi Myra.
Hi. See this, my candle I made it.
Okay. Let mama finish.
No.
So yes, moving on from here is this gorgeous piece that has just completely transformed how my living room looks. Please ignore the sticker mark. वो अभी अच्छे से मैं I'll clean it so it'll go. But I've hung this up, and this was quoted to me for 1200. This is again like quite a heavy piece, and I don't know, I just liked it a lot. And there were 1 or 2 more shapes, but this is what I've preferred. And I got this for, where am I? Here am I. Oh, here am I got this for 600 only. Yep. even though they quoted 1200, I got them down to like 600, and I absolutely love this. Just transformed this wall here. So the next thing that we've got is this wooden alphabet. So just for a better view, you can see it more clearly now. I absolutely love it. It's quite a heavy piece. Again, this was from किसी brand का था, and I threw away the tag unfortunately. And I got this for only 50 bucks, even though they quoted like 150 something for it. 50 bucks, like guys, 50 rupees में कुछ नहीं आता. So 50 bucks for this is a steal, definite steal. And I've hung Amira's picture here. I want to do this, like make this wall like a gallery wall sort of thing. So abhi to Amira ka, I have this frame that we got from Zoom In. You can check their page on Instagram. And then I added this. I'll add a few more elements जैसे जैसे मिलता रहेगा. So yes, this was the third thing. People who go to Banjara Market would also know that वहाँ पे ceramics का बहुत अच्छा collection है, and I am a fan of ceramics. So I got this dinner set sort of a thing. So वहाँ पे they were selling individual like plates and glasses, and you had to like club them together. They also had a olive green color in this, but olive green ka certain pieces were missing. So we went for the royal blue one, and I absolutely love it. It's gonna look in picture, look good in pictures also. So I got this. I got a jug, 4 glasses, 4 quarter plates, and 4 full plates. So 4, 4, 8, 12. It was a 13 piece set that we got together, and I got all of them for 1000 rupees, even though the price individually quoted for 8 each plate was around 150, 175. So मैंने सब कुछ club करके I got it for 1000 rupees, and I think it's a steal deal because, and also they are microwavable. They're quite sturdy, and I absolutely love the color and the finish. And yes, I've been having my dinner, lunch, सब कुछ इसी में because I love it so much. And this was, all of it was for 1000 rupees, and there are like so many things that you can you know, buy from there. There are serving bowls, plates, and they come in so many designs and textures and colors that you actually get confused. The only thing, according to me, that you need to keep in mind while visiting Banjara Market is that whatever price they quote, the product is hamesha half of it, or even like less than half of it. So supposedly I was quoted like 5,500, and there are like similar shops like next to each other, and they have sort of a unity where if one person is not giving it to you, the other person overhears your conversation, and even, you know, they'll throw a fit or a tantrum, whatever you want to say, कि नहीं नहीं ये इतना महंगा आएगा. But you are rigid, and you have to stay sturdy and you know, bold on your decision. So if you're a good bargainer, then you are gonna get super amazing deals here. And yes, one more thing that we got is an iron decorative piece that I've put on the entrance of my place. I'm just gonna show it to you. A lot of queries for these planters. These actually I did not buy them. I won them in a contest by a page called A Tiny Mistake. So yes, and I just think that they go with the aesthetic, like the kind of aesthetic that I want. So these are like ceramic planters with like wooden frames, and they're quite sturdy, and the planters are very heavy. So it's a good deal if they are still available. And I've got the house redone, like pura white, everything is white, pearl white, whatever you want to call it. And now I just want to add certain pieces, like abhi bhi we went to the market quite late, so I couldn't pick a lot of stuff. So yeah, abhi bhi there is a lot that I need to add. But for starters, this was one of the things that was these were a few things actually that were missing. Also, I like abhi I've just put it like that. I'm gonna actually put proper plants in that. I also got this from Banjara Market, like the whole thing. I got it for 50 bucks, I guess, with the glass bottle and the plant, which is great, I guess, because the plant is doing pretty well. It's been 4 days since I've come back from the market, so I've just put it in here because it looks good here away. And yep, that will be it for the few bits and pieces that I could gather, because we went there quite late and we didn't have a lot of time to pick stuff. It was already dark, and yeah, so these were a few pieces that I picked up from there. I'm gonna go there very soon, but it was very tiring, even though we went there on a weekday. I don't know weekend pe to kitna hi rush hota hoga. So yes, these are a few things that you need to keep in mind while going to Banjara Market. And I hope you all like the stuff that I got, because I'm really excited to get a few pictures clicked now that my home is renovated and coming together bit by bit. So yes, I'm probably gonna go there after Diwali now, not before Diwali for sure, because Diwali is almost here in 2 weeks. So I'm gonna go there for sure, and maybe come up with another haul video that I've put. Also, I wanted to share that abhi all the stuff went up yesterday only, and that's why I was waiting for the haul, because I wanted to show you all that how it looks up, decorated properly. And yeah, I didn't want to do a haul until everything was in its place. So yes, everything's coming together bit by bit, and I absolutely love everything. Also, hit a like and leave a comment if you like the video, and if you have any queries regarding the prices of my products, I've already mentioned them. Even though, if you have any queries, you can leave them in the comments and I'll make sure to answer them. And yes, bye for now. Myra, say bye. Bye.